Hi, this is Elisa from WTI. Who doesn't want to look all put together without wearing a bunch of makeup? I do. So I want to show you my trick today. I got these Milani Baked Blush, which has made a huge difference on my skin. I pretty much just put concealer on, and I've been using very little of this, and it'll give you the perfect glow you need. Not exaggerated, just perfect with a very natural look. I appreciate that not only is it beautiful on your skin, and this can pretty much, the Rosy Odo can match every skin tone, but it's also very affordable. So you're not going to spend much money. You're going to look put together. It's very easy to apply, as you can see. And just this past weekend, I wore it. And kid you not, it lasted over 12 hours without retouching it. So this is a beautiful investment for your makeup. You don't need much. It'll go a long way, very little. I highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.